VERO is up massively, as you can see, 593%. It has a low float. It's hard to borrow. Okay, so we have a 50-day average here is 6.94 million shares. Volume so far 236. I think this has changed everything. I don't think this is before today. I'm sure it was way lower than 6.948 million shares because it has a lot has crossed the tape already. It has changed everything. It has changed the average, the float itself, the official float that is the one that is available, the figure available for everybody to trade is around 1 million and some fraction. So um, because a lot of shares have crossed the tape now, it has changed the average. Historical volatility, you can see here 688%. Okay. Yeah, the stock is currently trending, driven by a major ownership disclosure that reshaped the company's near term outlook. In an amended Schedule 13D/A filed yesterday, the 15th, Madryn Asset Management revealed it has increased its stake to roughly 91% of the company's outstanding shares, effectively establishing overwhelming control of the company. Crucially, the filing went beyond a routine ownership update. Okay, and Madryn explicitly stated it is evaluating strategic alternatives, including the possibility of taking the company private or pursuing a Nasdaq delisting. The rationale cited centers on reducing the heavy regulatory reporting and compliance costs associated with maintaining a public listing, expenses that can be easily burdensome for small cap healthcare and device companies. This disclosure builds on earlier developments that had already improved sentiment around VERO. Madryn previously extended debt relief and provided financial flexibility, actions that many investors interpreted as laying the groundwork for a broader restructuring or recapitalization. So that's what we're looking at right now. Okay, so underlying trend is has just gone neutral, if not even neutral to bullish. You can see this is what we are looking at. This is what 588%, 588%, 580% looks like. Went from 1.33 to 10.1, almost 10x. But the extrapolation is saying that it may hold the strength up till Wednesday the 21st, and then after that, the prospects of a contraction is there. So in the interim, yeah, expect a pullback to happen. Momentum is expected to continue to begin to decay from Monday the 19th, Yeah, let's see now. They may have printed an intraday high today. Yeah, $12.93. So it has actually retracted. So it's the gain is 597%. So it has actually given up a decent amount of what it ran up. It's given up a decent amount of that. So out of what it has given up, it has lost almost 25%, almost 25% of the gains it ran up. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now. 12. We've seen $12 and some fraction. We could just weekly glance at its market grid on the 1 hour chart to see what it's going to give us in terms of possible prices. Yeah, let's see what we have in terms of possible prices. So 13.31. So this is even a premium to that $12.9 we saw. Yeah, 13.31 is a premium to 12.93. Let's see whether we can even see something more ambitious on the 4 hour chart. That is, if it's going to if it's available. Let's see. Yes, let's see. 14.85, even higher prices. So, but just have a note. I mean, make just be aware that the range is between 14.85 and 5.79. So These are the possible prices. It can also pull back. It can continue to extend. Okay, so as things stand right now, it's at 10.25. It's just neutral right now. 9.25 might print, even as low as 5.79 is pretty much very much possible. But right now, I think it has changed the direction. Maybe it's looking at pointing towards 11.39. So it could go either way. Could go either way. It's a low float, and it's also one of the key attractions. Short interest is around 12% as well. So just be really careful. Just be careful. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.